This is version 1 of my dust sweep. My dust collection is only 2 inches, so I wanted to build another one that wouldn't keep clogging. I got 2-inch PVC pipe and I clamped it and I created this elongated circle shape. And then I drew out the outline on some MDF. And then I took my router and created the shape. Now I'm doing a test fit, making sure it's tight so that there would be no air loss. Looks good. Now I had some birch plywood, which is kind of overkill, but I had it laying around, so I'm going to use it for the base. Created the side walls out of some MDF, laying it out, and I'll be brad nailing everything together. Here's a divider between the ramp and the collection portion where all the sawdust is going to fall. I got the angle of one of the sides, which was 16 degrees, and I need to make that degree to make the bevel on the ramp. You'll see. So 90 minus 16 was 74 degrees. So I created that bevel on the ramp. I don't think I show video of it though. So I basically lined up everything, brad nailed everything. Missed all my brad nails. You could see them sticking out there on the sides, but whatever. It's a shop project and it doesn't have to be pretty. Just be careful, I guess. Created these shapes on the sides so that the dust could fall down into the center, and I brad nailed those in as well. Created a little bevel on the front so the dust could sweep up, and now I'm going to create a little mesh thing to catch all the big pieces. So my hope is that it'll catch the larger chunks so it won't clog up my dust collection. And all the larger chunks of sawdust or wood pieces would just sit on the top of the mesh and I could easily throw it into the trash.